told you I'll be back. This is another mukbang video. I'm on a roll this week, so I'm gonna have this video to upload and then 2 more videos, my vlog for this weekend and another mukbang that Ava did yesterday. It's been so cute. So again, I'm a little tired and it's starting to get super hot because I was trying to set this up and I had a phone call and all that stuff. So like I promised, finally I bought some mochi. As you can see here, it's been so long since I've had mochi, probably a couple years ago. I've always had the ice cream one, and I think I had the regular one years and years ago. So the first time I had mochi was early 2000 at my Cali job, and one of my Asian friends introduced me to that, and ever since I've always been so in love with them. And then for a while I just stopped buying them because they are kind of pricey for like how many pieces, like $5-6 bucks. Well, to me it is, but there's so many different kinds, so many variations, but just want to show you guys, and if you guys haven't tried them, have to get them. So here I got a bunch of different kinds here, and I'll let you know which one is which. This two here, this is the mango ice cream, and the one back here, it's greenish. It's coated with powdered sugar. It's green tea ice cream. And then this here, I've never had this flavor before, but this is the regular mochi, and it is UBE flavor, which is purple potato. It's very common in a lot of Southeast Asian dishes, especially the Philippines. Lots of desserts. And this one here is also green tea, regular. And let me show you how the packaging is. So this is the mango ice cream one. Hope you guys can see that. And it comes in 6 pieces, and it comes in this like little sealed package here, wrapped. And the same thing goes for the other one. And they're both different brands. So let's see. It's in Japanese and I can't read. It's called, the original one is Royal Family, and then the ice cream one is by Mikawaya. This one here particularly you can find this at Trader Joe's, and the other one most likely at the Asian store. So yeah, let's begin. It's super hot. I still got my green tea. I'm in the same outfit. Took a nap, did some editing earlier. My morning, afternoon vlog, mukbang is already on, so hope you guys like that one. So I am going to try the regular one before, because I don't think I've been a fan of the regular one. I always like the ice cream one. So let's see. It doesn't have much powdered sugar compared to the ice cream one. I feel like you guys can't even see that. Alright. I love how it's like individually placed in this like cupcake filler thing. Square shaped. Ube. Okay, let's try. If you have a texture problem, this might be an issue, but I thought it was gonna be like super sweet. But it's very light. And my eyes is getting irritated from the light. Oh, allergies. If my eyes start to get red, then you know why. And Ava's sleeping, so I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible in case she wakes up and cry. This is good. It's not sweet, but you can taste the flavor of the ube. My mom will like this. Very pretty. This is like the perfect like dessert after like a nice meal, whatever, because it doesn't feel too heavy. I'm saving the ice cream for last, you guys, because they're my favorite. This is the green tea regular mochi. I'm so bad doing this. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I put it close to the camera. Bite. This has a stronger green tea flavor. If you don't like green tea, period, I don't think you will like this. It's pretty strong. But again, it's not too sweet. But I wouldn't get this one again. Won't be my favorite. It's very sticky, very soft, and a very textured, squishy. And it sticks to the top of the roof of your mouth too, but wow. And I believe it's made from, which is common in Southeast Asian desserts, or Asian period, glutinous flour. I've seen a process on how they make mochi, and it's very like almost time consuming, like very hideous, like handwork. Okay, isn't that funny? And I have green tea, Arizona green tea. My favorite. Green tea, mochi, not my favorite. The regular one. UBE, pretty darn good. There was more like red bean and sesame seed or something, but I didn't want to get too crazy. Like the ice cream one, it was like $4 for something, or like $3.99, and then the regular mochi was like $1, $49, $50. So that's why I was like, ooh, okay. Let's go with the mango ice cream. It's so yummy, so refreshing. It's starting to melt. So obviously the ice cream one, you put in the freezer. Oh no! See how sticky it is? See? Oh, no I didn't. Roll it on the table. And it's like mango ice cream inside. Still frozen, but it just melts in your mouth because it's warm in here. So good. I really wanted to do this with Ava, but she's still sick, so. And plus, I'm not sure if she will like it the way it looks. Hits the spot. It's starting to cool down in my room, and this like helps a lot. So good. I haven't had this in a long time. Probably like a year. Or a year and a half or something. Green tea. This is all the powdered sugar from behind. My mom needs to try this. Look at this. Sticky. Green tea. Yeah, I totally like the green tea ice cream versus the original one. Look at my hands. Oh my gosh. Two more, you guys. This is my dinner dessert. So bomb. And I believe there's like strawberry also with the ice cream. So bomb. There was like a big red bean one too, like the regular kind. We definitely want to try it next time. Because red bean, mung bean, oh my gosh. If you guys want to try it, it's so good. Because my mom uses mung bean in a lot of our desserts. And red beans. Oh my gosh. Ah! Keeps rolling. It's melting. Messy, messy. Last one. A closer look. It's nice. Oh, it's melting. Oh my gosh, so good. Oh my gosh, so for newbies, I definitely recommend trying the strawberry ice cream version and mango. It shouldn't scare you too much. And then the regular one, all the red beans are good. Towel's pretty good too. It's light, fluffy, soft, squishy. Very yummy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all my other mukbang lately. So please comment, subscribe, and stop being mean, people. Bye.